Good morning, everybody. Our first card from Spirit is the torch. And this tells us that through spiritual development, enlightenment, and understanding, we um, we are actually now receiving love and blessings in our lives. We're having harmonious relationships with family and friends. That is so nice. Spirit wants us to know that we mustn't ever doubt our own worth or the beauty we hold within. Stand tall in your power. I've got two angel cards that popped, angel numbers. The first one is 222, that's balance. What feels peaceful and calm easily finds me as I restore the balance within me. The other one is 1717, and that is self reliance. The next archangel card is the star, and it's telling us that dreams are coming true. Believe in yourself. That's the end to a very difficult situation that we all have been through. There's improvement in health, that's mental, body, and in spirit. So lay solid foundation. There's a lot of things coming to an end in your life and in the world, and happiness is ours, guaranteed. Spirit is putting helpful people in your life, so trust the magic of the universe. They know that you're tired, but don't give up. um, there is money coming your way, and also divine wishes that are being granted. In the near future, you will get an announcement, and they're telling you, remember that slow and steady wins the race. Trust your higher self, stay aligned with yourself. Um, it's not the right time to give up. It's these sweet results that are waiting. We have let go of so much toxic and situations that isn't even ours to carry. And we on a path to our own freedoms, our own happiness. Listen to your intuition and take control of your own life. Take the lead of your own life. We gain from arguments and troubles to peace and harmony. And our loved ones want us to know that by purifying your life of negative people, places, and experiences, you attain peace. Have a lovely day, everybody.